Have you ever tried mixing Vaseline with toothpaste on your skin? If you have not tried it before, just continue watching. I'll be explaining the benefits of mixing Vaseline with toothpaste that will amaze you. Just continue watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to unveil the secrets of mixing these two that will benefit your skin in so many ways. Be it you want to treat any skin disorders, anything you want, just apply this. Consider subscribing to this channel if you love skincare treatments, beauty tips, using natural things like this. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Have you watched my previous video of showing you how to look younger? Have you checked it out? Please go through my videos. You see so many beauty tips that will help you to look younger, to have a flawless skin, to go out there with no makeup and look beautiful. So why we're making use of toothpaste here is because of acne. If you have acne, you are prone to acne. You know anyone that have acne, you always have dark spots, you always have uneven skin tone, you always have clogged pores, blackheads, whiteheads. Please get toothpaste as soon as possible. You can make use of any toothpaste of your choice. You can make use of Colgate, anyone, just any type of toothpaste. Then you have to get Vaseline of any type, petroleum jelly, any brand. Vaseline will help to give your skin a moisture. It will moisturize your skin. It will penetrate and repair your skin underneath. It will also help to balance the toothpaste. Mixing it together will reduce the harshness of this. It's not harsh anyway, but for those that have sensitive skin, toothpaste can be harsh for them. So mixing these two will help to balance your skin pH and condition it, making it to have that flawless skin that you desire. Vaseline is a very good ingredient if you want to look younger, you want to firm your skin, you want to appear more youthful. Please get it. But I'm going to add something next, of course. Just continue watching. So what I did there, I added Vaseline. You can see Vaseline and also toothpaste. I've not mixed them together. So just add a little of Vaseline, goes a long way. Mix these two together. Just mix and mix. Until it's uniform. Okay, just make it uniform. You can see it. Then I'm going to add sugar on my own. I just love it. So like I said earlier, you can just mix only toothpaste and Vaseline. But if it comes to exfoliating your skin further, you just have to add a little of sugar. Okay, I want to treat my skin. I decided to show you this secret. Half tablespoon. I also add it for myself. So you can also do the same if you want. It's very good. Sugar helps to exfoliate the skin. It helps to hydrate the skin. If you have dry skin, if you have uneven skin tone, it also helps to exfoliate the skin to remove dead skin cells. And the results will give you a bright, uniform skin that glows. You just love it. So just get it and mix together. So please apply this treatment on a washed skin. Make sure your skin is neat. There are no makeups or debts. Then you have to use your hand to apply. You can also make use of a makeup brush like I always use in my videos. So just know that this is a very good treatment for acne, pimples, stubborn pimples that refuses to go. Okay, just apply it all over your skin. As you're applying it, you feel that a little sensation. It has a menthol smell. It's part of the ingredients in toothpaste. But do not worry, all works together to give you a good result. So apply all over your skin. So this is also very good for those that have blemishes. You have blemishes, please apply this treatment. And please do not apply areas around your eyes. Be careful around that place. Okay? Alright, so just apply like a max. If you have acne, do not scrub it. But if you have dark spots or general skin type, general skin condition, just scrub it. Scrubbing it will enable more exfoliation to give you best results. Gently. If you have oily skin, this will help to reduce so much oil, greasiness on your skin, balance your skin out, and give you a flawless looking skin that you love. If you have clogged pores, large open pores, this is just the treatment. So there are some things you have at home without knowing their uses. Toothpaste is a very powerful ingredient when it comes to treating these skin disorders. Just go on and try it now and you see it for yourself. So you have to leave this treatment 5 to 10 minutes, okay? After that, you have to wash it out using soap or using plain water. So because of the Vaseline in it, you can decide to use soap so that it can go off easily. Just apply this treatment 3 times or every day. If you have severe acne, please make use of this treatment every day or every other day. It will help to get rid of those acne finally. Very effective. So suggest this treatment for those that you see their skin looking so rough, tiny acne, tiny pimples, large open pores, greasiness and all that. For those that have dry skin, you can also make use of this treatment. It works, and because of the Vaseline in it, your skin will not be dried out. Because of the sugar in it, your skin will stay hydrated. So get that baby skin, get a uniform skin with this. So I'll leave it on for some time, rinse it out. I'll be right back. So this treatment is perfect for those that have oily skin, normal skin type, or severe acne. Please do not try it if you have sensitive skin, or if you have sensitive skin, leave this treatment on for about 3 to 5 minutes because the toothpaste has that minty, feeling. You'll be feeling it on your skin. This treatment will also plump your skin. I told you earlier that Vaseline is a very good anti-aging ingredient. It helps to keep the skin moisturized, supple, it firms the skin. You really love it. So just make use of this treatment and rinse it out immediately after the right time. When you are rinsing it out, you feel that cool effect, the cooling and sensation, and that is because of the menthol in toothpaste. Very normal. Okay, just normal. Whether you make use of a lukewarm water in rinsing, you also feel that cooling effect. I just love it a lot. It's best to rinse it out using soap so that the toothpaste can go off easily. So after this, you can go on and apply a light moisturizer. You can apply Vaseline if you have severe dry skin. You can also apply coconut oil to lock in moisture. You just love your skin. It treats acne. It gets rid of blemishes. Like I said earlier, it makes you look younger. It closes large open pores, preventing acne, future acne, and pimples. It gets rid of dark spots. So when you are rinsing it off, if you have dark spots, exfoliate your skin to make it work better. For those that cannot do this, you want skincare products that you can buy that works also natural treatments for you, no side effects. Check it out for yourself. I deliver worldwide. Just name it. Contact through that WhatsApp and I'll give you the best. We have skin firming treatment to make you look younger. We have good facials that will make you look flawless. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. Share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.